Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to use HTML color tags, and we will be going to prepare a table like this by using HTML color tags like background, by giving background, and how to give uh, text color for this like this one, and how to give a separate background color for table. So so many information, so much of information you can get from this tutorial. So let's get jump into this one, and I prepared a table, this one here, and I will be going to show you a demo on this one by using this table colors. So come with me, I will show you. So first of all, we need to give background color, this one. So whatever the color we can give. So I would like to show you this one only. So here we used this one, this color. I don't know the exact color now. I think light green. So I think we will give the background color exactly 66 double F double C. Yeah, we got the color. So like this we can give whatever the color, like the blue, and we can get blue, like pink, pink. We can get pink and brown. We can get brown background color, and total red. C, like this we can get total red, and I would like to give the color double F double C double C. Let's check. Yeah, this color. So otherwise you can give green color only. See, we can get green color. So like this we can give so many colors for our background, HTML background. And let me use this one also, double nine double F double nine two. See, we got this one, and we would like to give a color for how to make table in HTML, and 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. pledge and all classes. Like this one we need to give yellow, purple, whatever the color we can give. So I am going to show you the green color, yellow color. So let me give the color code, and here is we need to use span style tags. Is it how to make table? Okay, how to use HTML tags. And here we have span style is equals to color, and yellow. So again let's check. See, we got this yellow, and on green screen yellow is not good. So let us give some other colors. Pink color I gave. No, it's not looking good. Let me give red color. See, we can use red color, and just copy this one span style like this. So let us check. Yeah, we got it, and we need to get project work also. So is here span style project work. See, you can see here. So let us check. See, we got it, and we can get this one too. Let's check. We gave red color, we gave yellow. Okay, let us check with purple color as the user for table. And we have to use for table bar, table for table. We have to use bg color is equals to purple. Let's check purple. Yes, we got it, and we can use yellow too. Yellow too. see, let me copy and paste. Let me check first how it is written. Yeah, it's good. And need to give yellow, whatever the color you want to give, you can give those colors. So this is our HTML table, and we need to give the colors for these hours, subject, teacher. Which color they gave? Orange color they gave, so we need to give orange color for them too. Orange color, and the hours is here. And the HTML tag is span style is equals to color. And which color they give in? Orange, so just give orange. Yeah, orange. Just copy this one, and let's get teacher or subject. Yeah, we got it. Again, we need to give the colors for these timings, subjects, and teachers. So which color they used is white color. So again, we need to use span style. It is equals to span style is equals to white. Yeah, white. Yes, white. Let us check. See, white. Oh, here we need to change white. White. See, we got it white here. So like this, we need to give for all of our. Just copy this one. Paste over here. Paste over here. Paste over. Otherwise, you can change your colors, whatever it might be. So I'm using this white color. So you can change whatever the color you want. And final step, yes, we got final step, yes, like this. See this one, same as this. We got it right here. So just use yellow color here. For what? 11 AM to interval break. Yellow. Yes, we got it over here. As it is, we got it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.